Are you able to hear me? Right, any doubts from last class? Enumeration? Today we'll try to understand iterator. Okay, enumeration is given first or iterator given first? Enumeration given first in Java 1.0 version. Then already when enumeration we have, why do we need iterator? What is the problem of enumeration? Okay. What the name of method names of enumeration? Enumeration method names. Enumeration method names has more elements and next element. Okay, has more elements and next element. Now try to answer. Has more elements method, is it not a bigger name, lengthy name? Next element method, is it a lengthy method name? Okay, now let me try to ask a question. Let try to answer. Now I am in the classroom. Inside class, who will be there? Students will be there. I want to ask the next student to come. Now guys, okay, next person you come, I'll say. Next you will say, next, I'll say. I don't pronounce as next student, because you are a student. No need to mention student again and again, right? Same point here. Has more, enough na? Has more, how many? Why you need? How many are there? Why you need? Next element there are not. My concentration is only on next element available or not. How many more elements available is a confusion. So the first method name is confusion. Its name should be what? Has next. According to question, has next. Next method name is what? Next, enough. Has next, yes. Then give me that next. So enumeration method names are lengthy, they're bigger and not meaningful. Iterator interface is given for giving shortcut names, okay? And the next, enumeration doesn't allows us to remove elements while iterating. While iterating, I want to remove elements. That facility is not there. Now, enumeration iterator has given a special method called what? Remove. Okay, na remove method. So tell me, what are the advantages of has next? Enumeration. Has next, next, has next, and remove. These three methods are available in iterator. Got clarity na? Right. Then now I'm going to ask you a question. Try to think. First, I'm creating array list object. Array list of object. AL equal to new array list of okay na. Then I'm adding elements. AL dot add of double quotes A, AL dot add of double quotes B, AL dot add of double quotes C, 3 elements. Then system dot out dot println AL. Elements are displayed. Okay, now all elements are displaying. Now tell me, I should obtain iterator object. If you want to retrieve elements from if you want to retrieve elements from array list by using iterator, I need to retrieve elements. Tell me, how can we retrieve elements? Below. Here I need to retrieve elements. For that I need a factory method. In a iterable interface. In iterable interface, we have given a factory method for retrieving object, for retrieving iterator implementation class object, that is iterators. Interface is iterator, method is also what? Iterator. Tell me where this iterator method is available. Inside iterable interface. Inside iterable interface, we have iterator method. Tell me, collection interface. Collection interface is subtype of iterable interface. Hence, these interface methods are inherited to collection, and further it is inherited to array list. In array list class, that method is implemented to obtain iterator implementation class object. Iterator of object itr equal to now what do you write? Al dot iterator. Are you catching my point? Then tell me, here iterator method background creates the implementation class of iterator and creates object of it, implementation class object, return to that object reference to our program itr. Then itr variable is pointing to array list object first element. Yesterday enumeration diagram, iterator diagram, both are same. Following right. Let me show you the source code of iterator so that you will get clarity. Now look at they created iterator is a inner class. Okay, it's a normal inner class level inner class. Yesterday enumeration implemented by anonymous inner class, but iterator is implemented by normal inner class. Okay, class level inner class. Okay, now let me go to this class, and now this is the iterator class. Private class iterator is a private inner class, implements iterator. Remember, I told you inner class can be declared as a private also. Class level inner class can be declared as inner class private also. Cursor, okay, they have variable called cursor, last retrieved, and expected mod count. Some variables they have taken. Constructor, empty constructor. As next method is implemented, next method is implemented. Okay, right. Then now also we have one more method implemented, that is what? Remove method. Okay, you no need to worry about the implementation logic. You need to worry about only how to call those methods. How to call those methods. Then try to answer now. Here, what you need to write now? I want to know elements available or not. What do you write? itr dot has next. itr dot has next. Then for retrieving element, what I should write? itr dot next. Now tell me where I should call itr dot has next. If you call directly, it returns a true and only one element it is working, but I want to work with all elements. Then I should call in what? While loop, open bracket, and itr dot next. Now object obj equal to itr dot next you write. Then now here what you write now? System dot out dot println. Okay, s out system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println obj. Control shift F11, control function F11. Look at that, I'm getting output ABC. Hope all you people got clarity. First step, you should know how to obtain iterator object. Then what are the methods I have to call for retrieving element? Has next method for verifying element available or not. Next method for retrieving the element available in the collection. Guys, wait for a minute. Yeah, guys, hope you understand. Now, can you write a code? Can you use iterator code for a linked set classes? Linked has a set. Linked has a set of object LHS equal to new linked has a set of semicolon. Okay, LHS dot. I just want to add same objects. Okay, I don't want new same objects. I'm adding al dot add of double al place what you write LHS LHS LHS. Come on, all the people expecting to answer. I'm expecting all the people to answer. From this code, any difference from array list to linked list? Okay, it's a super good news for me. Super good news for me too. Thank you so much. It's a good motivation for me. So I am now currently in some little bit, depression kind of thing. So students are not that much happy with the content I am giving that much depth. People want to complete fast, and they want to go out. I'm taking more days. They are getting angry on me saying that stupid fellow, how many days you will take? And nowadays, students are giving support to the faculty who completing fast, not who is giving more subject. Right? So when I heard this type of success stories, I am getting motivated. No. There are some students other who are getting benefit. Thank you, Nana. Thank you so much. Right. So now, can I take same variable? No. Iterator 2. Then in place of AL, what I need to write here? LHS. Only object is changing. Remaining entire code is what? Same. System.out.println. System.out.println LHS. And now let's see. Yeah, Pandari, all the best and do work good. Try to take it as challenge. Never take tension, okay? When you are writing code, always remember even your manager also don't know anything. Even James Kosling also don't know anything. Give time to your brain will work. Okay, na? Just give time to your brain will give the ideas. Take the help of Google and take the help of your brain. Give the confidence to your brain that you can write the code. Are you catching my point? So if you are tension, can I do or not? Can I do or never think that can I do or not? No one can do anything in this world. Everyone is taking time to find. Some people will take 5 minutes, some people will take 10 minutes, some people will take 1 hour, some people take 1 day. But anyone can get answer. Are you catching my point? So your Telugu person, in Telugu language, there is a movie, Attarinti Dare, the movie, some movie is there, na? No, Attarinti Dare. Pawan Kalyan dialogue is there, Rabbi. Some people will fall in love for 1 day, 2 day, but finally fall in love. What is that movie? Gabbar Singh. Yeah, Gabbar Singh, right? So that movie is a inspiration for our software engineers, right? So fine. Control Shift F3 F11 control function F11 get output ABC. Arabuji, all people understand? Then can you write the same code for? Can you write same code for linked hash map? Linked hash map of object comma object LHM equal to new linked hash map of control shift O, then LHM dot double quotes A comma 1, LHM dot double quotes A comma 2, LHM dot double quotes C comma 3. Add place what method I should use? Put na? Put. Okay, for your quick understanding purpose, I am taking string objects. Okay, But in company, we never use string as a key, integer as a value. Okay. In company, we will use the actual objects. Tell me, can I directly obtain iterator object on linked hash map? Come on, come on, come on. Can I obtain iterator object directly on linked hash map? No, you cannot. Why? Because map is a table. Table is not iterated. Only on array we can iterate. On a table we cannot iterate. Are you catching my point? On a table we cannot iterate. So you have to convert what? You have to convert what to what? Come on, come on, come on. You must convert what to what? You must convert map to collection type. You have to bring collection view on map object. So first you have to obtain set view, set of, set of, set of. Set of keys object keys equal to or key set equal to what do you write now? Key set equal to I should convert linked hash map. I should obtain key set view. Now I got all keys. Tell me, once you got set object, on the set object can obtain iterator? Yes. What I should write here? Key set. Then on this iterator, now I can obtain keys. I3 control function F11. Control function F11. Look at there, I got all keys A, B, C. I want values also. Okay, if you want the values, object take it as a key and take it as a value. And now you should use linked hash map dot get of. I should pass what? Key and display key plus double quotes colon plus value. Okay, now? A colon 1, B colon 2, C colon 3. Hope you all comfortable how to work with iterator. Tell me, first in collections framework I told you, collections framework code is runtime polymorphic code I told you. Remember? Collections framework code is runtime polymorphic code I told you. What is the meaning of it? What is the meaning of it? The meaning is same code work for all collections. Okay, same code will work for all collections. Same code will work for all collections. Can you rewrite this entire program like this? Think, I am moving collection object here. I'm moving all collection objects to one place. This adding logic, can I define in one method? Static while fill collection of. Now tell me, which collection you want to fill? Fill of any collection. Okay, I am writing collection C. Okay, and here I am writing C dot C dot C dot and displaying C. Hello, I'm writing a method called fill. Then also I wanted to fill map objects also. Then I'm writing here static void fill of what the parameter? What the parameter? Map of object comma object map. Paste. Then here what do you write? Mapper, 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 save and display that map. or else we'll do one thing. We'll display those maps there. Okay, Nana? And next tell me, can I write like this? Can I write like this? Static void display. Or you can say, okay, display of what I want to display. Collection C, collection object, object C. Here, can obtain iterator. Okay, tell me this code, whatever the code I have written for iterator, this code, okay, what I have written iterator code, that can write here, C dot iterator, okay. Okay, I'll do one, and this I am taking as a map, object comma object, map. All people are understanding what I am writing. Just I am making this code as runtime polymorphic. Now same code I am writing here, display of map place what? Collection of collection, and then what write here? Collection of iterator display. This is called element. Okay. And now what I did now? I created a array list object, linked list object, this one, this entire code. Now I am deleting. Now what do you write here? Simple. Fill of AL. Next, fill of LHS. Next, fill of map. Fill of LHM. Now I am writing system.out.println. System.out.println. AL. LHS and LH. Then I wanted to display. Now what do you call? Using iterator I want to display. Display of collection AL, display of collection LHS, display of LHM. Okay, now save, Control Shift. Elements are stored. ABC, ABC, A equal to B equal. Tell me which code is clean. Come on. Which code is clean? Individual code, reusable code. With individual logic, with methods. With individual logic, with methods. With user-defined methods, the clone is clean and neat and easy maintainable. Come on, पूरा समझ में आया? Can you write the code like this in your written test exam? Can you write the code in written test exam? Always you must develop logic with user-defined methods. If you develop logic with user-defined methods, interviewer will get lot of impression. And he felt so happy. Okay. Shall we go for next points? So hope you are comfortable working with iterator. Look into material. In material, I didn't remember page number. In last class, I told you. Iterator notes is available now. Now you understood how to work with has next method and next method. Now let us try to understand remove method. Test 0, 3, 4. Huh? Iterator underscore remove. Now look at here. Again, I'm creating array list of object al equal to new array list of object. Okay. Then I want to add elements. Al dot add up double quote. Control shift F11, control function F11. If you are working from keyboard, control function F11. All elements are displayed. Now the question, try to answer, buddy. I want to retrieve elements by using array list. Array list. So what do you write? First I want to retrieve elements from array list by using iterator. What the code write? Iterator of object obj equal to new iterator, right? No new iterator. Now what do you write? Al dot iterator. Then what do you write next? I need to retrieve elements. So what do you write now? My program, this program is not retrieving. This program is meant for removing. Can I write like this? Yeah, okay. Iterator dot. Can I call directly remove method? Come on, think buddy. Can I call remove method? Can I call remove method? Think and tell me fast. What the purpose of iterator code? What is the purpose of iterator code? Iterator code is used for retrieving. Without retrieving, you are removing. Is it right or wrong? Without retrieving, you are removing. Is it right or wrong? Think. It is wrong. Remove method will get angry. Are a tumri fellow? Without retrieving, how can you remove? First you retrieve and then remove. Illegal state exception. Okay, guys. So now I'm calling itr.remove method. You cannot call remove method without retrieving. If you retrieve, then compiler throw, JVM will throw error. Is it JVM throw error, remove method throw error? Remove method will throw error, not JVM. Okay, remove method will throw error. Okay, exception will throw. So what the rule on remove method? Without retrieving, you cannot call remove method. That means I should call itr.next method first. After calling itr.next method, then you are allowed to call itr.remove method. Okay, control function F11. So look at there, I am displaying the collection after calling remove method. Which element is removed? Last element removed, the retrieved first element removed. Remove method always remove. Control shift F11. Last retrieved element A is removed. Okay, now tell me. Now if you call, now I am obtaining iterator, already iterator obtained. Now I am calling while loop. While itr dot has next. Okay, now I am calling itr dot next, and then I am calling itr dot remove. Bolo, what happened now? By the time control come out of this while loop, what happened? By the time control come out of while loop, what happened? All elements available in the array list will be removed and will get empty. So tell me, calling remove method inside while loop directly, is it okay? Not okay? Not okay. So when you should call remove method in while loop? If you want to retrieve some special kind of elements with if condition, we have to call remove method. Okay, itr dot remove method. Then tell me, if what do you now call here? The object retrieved, is of type, the object retrieved is of type instance of what do you write now, string. Okay, integer, let's say I want to make this collection is only contain strings. Now instance of integer remove, else don't remove. Then observe, in array list all integer objects are removed, B and C available. Okay, now all people understand that? Suppose if I comment, if I comment this, and if I call itr dot remove method after while loop, any problem? No problem. Which element is removed? Last element is removed. Last element C is removed. So got clarity? Yeah. What is the rule on remove method, and what is the problem if you call remove method wherever you like? Next, tell me, can I call remove method two times? One time next method, two times remove method. Allowed or not allowed? One time next method call, two times I call remove method. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. It will throw exception, illegal state exception. Already retrieved element removed, you cannot remove again. So this is the basic idea working with remove method. Now, hope you got clarity. Any questions? Please verify material. Are all these points are there or not? Please verify material. Right. Shall I go for next program? Chandu, Sai, I will explain that separately, okay? Test 05, iterator rules. While working with iterator, we have three rules. Rule number one, we cannot call next method on empty collection or on empty location. Okay, empty collection or empty location. Rule number 2, we cannot call next method after collection object is modified. Okay, by collection methods. Rule number 3, we cannot call remove method without calling next. These are the 3 rules. Let me show you that. Array list of object al equal to new array list of. Okay. Now I am obtaining iterator object on this. Iterator of object itr equal to al dot iterator. Tell me, this is empty collection now. Is there any problem here? No problem. Okay, no compile time error, no runtime error. Now I am trying to call system dot out println itr dot has next. Any problem to has next? No. Will get false. There is no elements available, will get false. Next, itr dot I'm calling next. Now tell me, when I call itr dot next, is there any element available in array list? No. We'll get output no such element exception. Okay, catch my point? On empty collection, you cannot call next method. Okay, I'm taking now array list object, adding elements. Al dot add of double quotes in al dot add double quotes b. Okay, al dot add of double quotes. Now I'm obtaining iterator object one more time. Itr dot itr equal to al dot iterator. Now I'm calling system dot out dot println itr dot next. Any problem? No problem. Element available, returns that element. A will come. Next. Itr dot next again I call. Any problem? No problem. We'll get output B. I'm calling next method one more time. Any problem? No problem. We'll get output C. Now I am calling one more time. Will it work? I'm calling itr dash now one more time. Will it come or not? Will come or will not? No. Now what this next method will do? It will throw exception saying that no such element. Okay, now no such element available. Right. So I'm commenting. Hope you understand rules. Now I am obtaining iterator object equal to al dot iterator. Then I'm calling system dot out dot println itr dot next. Okay, itr dot next. Now I am adding one more element, al dot add of. Now what did I write? Al dot add of double quotes d. Al dot add of double quotes d I have written. Now bolo. Any problem here? No problem. Okay, A will come. Now what I am writing, after modifying collection with collection method, I am continuing with iterator object. Okay, it is not allowed, will get exception, concurrent modification exception. Okay, itr dot next. So control function F11. I'm getting output concurrent modification exception. What is the meaning of concurrent multi-threading now? While you are performing an operation called retrieve, in the middle you are not allowed to modify. If you modify, you get concurrent modification exception. So iterator doesn't allow concurrent modifications. If you try to do, you will get exception. Is it clear now? So next, now I am obtaining iterator object one more time. Iterator equal to al dot iterator. Then I am calling itr dot remove method directly. It will get no such element exception. No such element exception. I mean illegal state exception. So these are the rules you have to follow while working with iterator. Hope everyone understand, Buji. So this is the points about working with iterator. Can you please look into material? All these points are there. Here I display na itr dot next. That's why it's coming. Okay, please look into material. All points are there. All these programs as it is there. Hope you will practice. Thank you. We will see on, yeah. I need more 4 days, buddy, to complete our batch. Okay, more 4 days. Can you give me next week? Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I cannot take class. More 4 days required to teach you iterator, list iterator for each loop and stream API. I need 4 days. And fourth day, 3 days I required, and fourth day I'll give you complete overview on complete our Java, whatever that we have learned up to now. So next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday maximum. Yeah, 3 days sufficient. Wednesday we will wind up our batch. Is it okay now? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days. Please give me. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I cannot take class for you. No. Monday onwards, no new batch. August 2nd, my batch would be August 2nd, 8 p.m. August 2nd, 8 p.m. Yeah, they will change it to August 2nd, 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Java teaches already videos are there now. Watch. Thank you all. See you on Monday. Present variable pointing to whom? Madhav. Present variable pointing to java.lang.object. Thank you.